Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing and review of the LATME white noise machine. You can get this product on Amazon for about $30. Check out the link in the description. The white noise machine has 28 different sounds, 12 white noise sounds, 12 fan sounds and 4 nature sounds. The auto off timer is very easy to set, or you can just play continuously non-stop all night. I tested the white noise machine for a couple of days and I think it's a good product. It's small, lightweight and very easy to use. So if you're looking for a white noise machine to block distracting noises and for a better sleep, I would recommend the LATME white noise machine. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.